What are the biggest misconceptions overseas buyers have about Chinese heat pump factories?
The biggest misunderstanding for the specifically heat pump clients in overseas market is that they think the professional of the Chinese manufacturer of space heat pump is not very high standard, high level. I think it's a misunderstanding. The Chinese manufacturer of space heat pump, for example, Amitime, been involved in this industry for more than 23 years. We are the most professional players in this industry. At the same time, we can devote the highest standard for this kind of industry. It's more professional than the players from Japan and Korea. For example, some of the brands in the Europe market, we can do the same thing. Sometimes we can do better than them. Anyway, we should promote the Chinese manufacturing to the foreign distributor, to the foreign players. It led me to be a little bit proud that more and more players from the overseas market has recognized the top players in China. Frankly, Amitime is one of these target players.
How to distinguish a real heat pump factory from a trading company?
I think the difference between a trade company and a heat pump manufacturer is that the professional. As a manufacturer for more than 23 years in the industry of specific heat pump, we have a lot of know-how. But anyway, for the trade company, if they would like to be involved in the business of heat pump, they do nothing except the price. So all of the distributor, all of the importer, all of the brand of heat pump, you should focus on doing business with the manufacturer instead of doing business with the trade company.
What are the common pitfalls for clients who focus only on price during negotiations?
Some of our partners focus on the price. I think it's not right. Up to now, a heat pump for the end users is not easy for them to buy this kind of machine to heat the house, to cool the house. So I think the first thing to make a decision to buy a heat pump for their house is the quality instead of the price. So if all of the quality can be achieved for the end user, we can discuss how to make our pricing to be a good idea for our end users.